So, Peter, some of the many inquiries which I have said, as a premium partner, what are some of the top business problems that you have solved in Zoho Creator that have made a high impact on the businesses of clients?
Absolutely. Every system is set out to solve a set of issues or set of problems or set of things that haven't even occurred or that could occur over there. Now, with Zoho Creator, again, with its flexibility and its integrability with other applications, solves a subset of, so I would say, a variety of different issues. So basically, for starters, we don't need a manual approval. We don't need to basically go and we don't need to tell somebody that he said this and she said that. We can define this approval process and the operations within Zoho Creator before pushing it out to books. For example, I need a purchase order to be created, sent to the client for signature, approved by its manager, XYZ, and then it should reflect in my account. My accountant doesn't know anything. So this removes the need for manual approvals. Basically, nobody needs to have access to your accounts. They can simply have access to your Zoho Creator, where they can create, they can construct, they can get it approved, they can get it signed, they can have revisions, XYZ, and then it integrates with Zoho Books over there. We also can create custom workflows when it comes to Creator, custom workflows to match your needs over there. Now, when it comes to Zoho Creator kind of ensures not to say no to you, because now we have a lot of legacy in the company. What I mean by legacy, we have a lot of processes that we can't bypass. These processes because it's been in the company for whatever reason, and it's been for that long of a time, and we can't really bypass that process. So sort of we kind of create these custom workflows and modules in Zoho Creator, so we don't have to disrupt compliant platforms. Rather, we can utilize Zoho Creator to custom create these workflows over there. It solves real-time issues also, Zoho Creator. There's no duplications. There's no there's real-time validations that happens over there. So it's basically not coupled, if you're relying on emails and Excel sheets, Zoho Creator does provide extra layer of validation as well. It can connect with a variety of systems and including IoT device, so it can really be used as an integratable platform over there. Like I said, a lot of tools are connected, WhatsApp, accounts, you name it, that has integratable applications associated with it. We can directly go and we can integrate with them. Great. And like I said, it's very easy to create applications. There is testing, but there's no lot of trial and errors. It's a readily available app with readily available code with obviously industry experts such as myself, suggesting to that. So the risk of failure is very less, because not often, at times people build a platform, but it doesn't get used because of this happening, this error, that error, hard to abide by. So all of this sort of the risk decreases drastically because of its integratability and its simplicity in usage and in development. Also, some of the business problems that is solved is faster decision making. We don't have to wait for data to be analyzed. We don't have to wait for data to be approved. We don't have to wait for data to come in. We have it in our fingertips. So just as any effective business consultant, rather than then telling you what to do, you have the data right in front of you to make data-driven decisions. And now data-driven decisions are some of the best decisions you can make because you have the data right in front of you, rather than relying on populated data, rather than relying on assumed data, on estimates. You have the data in front of you. So that really tells you where you stand as a business owner and where you stand on a particular decision. So these are some of the common problems that Zoho Creator sort of solves. Now I can keep going on and on, and this tell you about more issues that it solves. But certainly it does give you the ability to save your time and your cost. So when it comes to Zoho Creator, forget about helping the business. It's definitely an investment that I encourage businesses to look at or even give it a try.
Oh, got it, got it.